Alright, rise and grind, good people. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. It's gonna be a quick one. Just finished the starter on that Camry. About to knock out the valve cover gaskets on this 04 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 V8.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, this is what we're looking at. That's the valve cover. You see all the dust, debris, and just it's wet and damp. And when the debris gets to it, it sticks. Okay, so basically, we have the valve cover gasket that's leaking in between the valve cover and the block. And that creates debris. And it gets on it and starts to look real dark and dirty, like so. So it's definitely time for these valve cover gaskets to be replaced. Let's get it. We're gonna start with these here. We got some bolts that we're gonna take out that's holding this bracket in. There's one right here, another one here, there. There's a few of them. We're gonna take them out and we can remove these wires from the coils, from the coil packs, and then we just pull this whole bracket up and out the way. Alright, we got all our bolts out. Looked like it was 4, 5, 6 of them. 10mm. Way. Got 8mm bolts holding 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, holding the valve cover in. I take out that PCV valve and we can take it out. Dirty that is. Clean it all up, clean the valve cover off all this dirt, change the seals, make sure you wipe your surface clean before you install a new one. Go ahead and jump over on the passenger side, do the same thing. This side was a little difficult because to get this bracket off, this one bolt back here, that one right there, is way in the back, so it's hard to get this one bolt out. But get the right tools, get a swivel, whatever you need, get it out. So I just want to warn y'all about that. So we coming out with this valve cover. Got to take off this hose right here. Clean it up. Make sure you clean the surface before reinstall it. We're gonna clean it up before we reinstall. Got it cleaned up. Go ahead and put our gaskets in and our seals. seals. Take them out. Install a new one. Gaskets. Go ahead and add some gasket sealant to hold it in so it don't fall out when you install it. Went ahead and sat it in. I'm gonna do the same for the other side just to cover it up. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put all my install those both sides. Alright, I got them tightened up both sides. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put those brackets back on, those coils back in, wires. Oh yeah? That's both sides. Go ahead and start it up. That is it, man. If you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Get a video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Man, hit that notification bell. Until next time, the Pull Up King.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.